let's talk about some of the issues raised against PHA. Many say the fundamentals of PHA are not good, but this is a non-issue for me because PHA is a speculative game. And just like any speculative stock, by the time the clues are obvious, the price would be up there already. So you would be chasing. We chase the clues, not the price. The next issue is that the disclosure and the e-banking license was done through ABA and not PHA. We'll answer this in comparison with Dito at the later part of this video. The next issue is that the app is not working. We were able to access the app and it shows some interesting features, including the loans and insurance, which are properly the subject of the e-banking license currently being secured from the BSP. The new version of the app will be released on February 14, together with the crypto component. As to disclosures, it's important to remember that in Ditotel, the disclosures were made through Chelsea or C and not through Dito. The answer to that is simple. It was because the Ditotel shares were transferred to Dito only much later. Same for PHA. The backdoor entry is still subject to regulatory approvals, so we expect the disclosures to be made by PHA once the approval has been secured. It's interesting to note that the price of Dito went up after the confirmation was made. Will this happen to PHA? We don't know. Watch the chart. It's going to be very interesting. That's it. Bye.